right, you are currently watching this video. Just a second, let me tell you what you're doing, and then I'm going to tell you to pause and answer these Padlet questions, okay? So the Padlet questions that you're going to be answering, they're just kind of brainstorms. In the classroom, we kind of went through them together, kind of discussed what they were. So when you guys put them in the Padlet, put your answers in the Padlet, that's going to help me know maybe what we need to go back over, or maybe what we did know already that I don't need to go over again, okay? So I need you to tell me what is plot in your own words and name the 5 parts of plot, okay? If you can name one, that's awesome. If you can name all 5, great. Okay, so pause this video now and go do that in the Padlet. Okay, so you're finished with the Padlet. Hopefully, if you haven't on the Padlet, you shouldn't be here. So here are our 5 things of plot. Okay, our 5. What's the word I'm looking for? Elements of plot. So exposition, conflict actually goes under the exposition. So exposition, the rising action when it's going up that hill, okay, and then the climax at the top, falling action, and then resolution. Okay, so your exposition, that's down here, right? That includes the characters, setting, and then the problem. So what's the problem that the characters are having? Where is it at? Where's the story taking place? And then who are the characters? After that, you go into that rising action. That's when really suspense starts to build. So what's happening to the character in like the beginning of the story? How are they growing? What are they doing? Okay. Then at the top is that climax. So we had the problem down here on our exposition, right? And the climax is where does that flip and start to resolve itself? Okay, where does it flip and start to get better? Where does it change? Where does the character change? Okay. Then on the way down, you have the falling action. So really the falling action is what happens between the climax, what happens between that turning point and the resolution. Okay. So here's the resolution. Another word for resolution is how the problem is solved, okay? Or another phrase for resolution. How did it all get fixed? How did it all get better? That's your resolution. So now you should go back into this, okay? You should be back in this. You've done the Padlet already. I wanted you to remember that nobody's going to see those except for me. I'm going to be on my phone like at the dentist office, like approving everybody. So, okay. And then, so after you finish that and you've watched my little lesson, that's the video of the day and night. It's a Pixar short, okay? So you're going to be watching that, and I need you guys to be thinking about the elements of plot. So what's happening on the screen? What element of plot is that? Where in the storyline are we? Okay? So do that. I would consider watching it 2 times. Most of the classes that were in, all of the classes that were in class watched it 2 times through. Okay, so watch that. If you get finished before time is done, I would say just go back and read a little bit. Okay, I can't wait to see everybody on Wednesday. Have a great day, guys.